So here we are with another unboxing video on the Umidigi Uwatch 3. I have posted a video of my unboxing video on the Umidigi F2. If you want to see that video, I will post the link below under the description. So here we are with the Umidigi Uwatch 3. So let's cut this open. The box is kind of awkward, weird shape. Alright, here we are. Here's the cover of it. My box is kind of beat up a little bit during the shipment. I don't know if everyone's watch is the same, but here's the watch. It's got a cushion to it underneath, so it kind of protects the watch a little bit. So here's the watch itself. It doesn't come with any other bands that's like the Uwatch 2 when we had that quick magnetic strap. This one only comes with the band itself, the plastic band. It feels pretty solid, but I don't know how long it'll last. But you probably saw my other video in regards to the Uwatch 2 where the magnetic part actually broke off on me after like 3 weeks of use. But hopefully this will last as long, this watch. Currently I don't think it's on. I think it's out of battery actually, so I will have to charge this and we'll let you know. So it comes with only one other accessory, the charging cable, I believe. Let's open this. I think it's just a regular USB plus the magnetic port charger, so you can see it right here. Nothing special about this, and the other one is just the manual, the Uwatch 3 manual, and then their thank you card on all the boxes. So I will charge this up and let you know how this runs.